Hello everyone, this is video lesson number 4 on the chapter Simple Equation. In this video, we are going to learn application of simple equation, that is how we solve the question which is based on our day-to-day life. It means we are going to discuss some word problems based on simple equation. So the first question is 11 added to twice a number gives 45, find the number. Here the question is 11 added to twice a number gives 45. So the number is unknown. So what we have to do first we have to take the number as a variable. Let the number be x. Okay, we can take any variable a, b, c, x, y, z, any. So let the number be x. So according to question, what is the demand of the question? 11 added to twice a number. 11 added to twice a number gives 45. Now in this way we form the equation. Now what we have to do? We have to find the number. It means we have to solve the equation. Now this is 2x plus 11 is equal to 45. Now we apply here transposition method, that is we arrange the variable on one side and constant on the other side. So it becomes 2x is equal to 45 minus 11. 2x is equal to 45 minus 11. We get here 34 and x is equal to 34 by 2. We get the value of x is equal to 17. Therefore, the number is equal to 17. What we do here? First, we suppose that the number be x. Now, according to question, the question says that 11 added to twice a number gives 45. So, twice a number, that is 2x plus 11. 11 added to twice a number gives 45. Here we form an equation. Now we solve the equation. Now first what we do? We arrange the constant on one side. So it is 2x is equal to 34 and we get x is equal to 17. So the required number is 17. Now we move to our next question. Student, the next question is the sum of two consecutive integers is 49. The sum of two consecutive integers. Now one thing comes in your mind, that what is consecutive integer? Student, the number which comes one after another is called consecutive integer, like 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive integer. 16 and 17 both are consecutive integer. Consecutive means one comes after another. So here it is, the sum of two consecutive integers is 49. So what we have to do? First we have to suppose the consecutive integer. So let the consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. Now according to question, the sum of two consecutive integer is 49. The sum of consecutive integer, it means x plus 1 is equal to 49. Sum of two consecutive integer is 49. So x plus x, it becomes 2x plus 1 is equal to 49. Now 2x is equal to 49 minus 1. 2x is equal to 48. So we get x is equal to 48 by 2, that is 24. Now we find the value of x plus 1. 24 plus 1, that is 25. Therefore, the consecutive integers are 24 and 25. What we do first? First we suppose that the consecutive integer are x and x plus 1. So the sum of consecutive integer is equal to 49, and we solve the equation and we get the value of x is equal to 24. So now we find the value of x plus 1, that is the next one. 24 plus 1, we get 25, and the required consecutive integers are 24 and 25. Now we move to our next question. The next question is, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 4 is 60. Find them. Student, consecutive multiple of 4. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 4. What are the consecutive multiples of 4? Yes, the consecutive multiples of 4 are 4, 8 and 12, like that. The sum of 3 consecutive multiple of 4 is 6. Find them. Let the consecutive multiple of 4 be x, x plus 4 and x plus 8. If we add 4 with x, we get the next multiple of 4. If we add 8 with x, we get the third multiple of x. So according to question, it becomes x plus 4 plus x plus 8 is equal to, the sum is equal to 60. Now x plus x, we get 3x plus 4 plus 8, 12 is equal to 60. 3x is equal to 60 minus 12. 3x is equal to 48 and x is equal to 48 by 3. That is 16. So the next number is x plus 4. 16 plus 4, we get 20. And the third one is x plus 8. That is 16 plus 8, we get 24. Therefore, the consecutive multiple of 4 are 16, 20 and 24. What we do here? First we assume that let the consecutive multiple of 4 be x, x plus 4 and x plus 8. Here we discuss about the 3 consecutive. So we take 3 consecutive, that is x, x plus 4 and x plus 8. Now according to question, the sum is given equal to 60. So x, the first multiple, second multiple and the third multiple. The sum is equal to 60. So we get here 3x plus 12 is equal to 60. And when we solve the equation, we get the value of x is equal to 16. So the next multiple, that is x plus 4, we get 20 and x plus 8 is equal to, we get 24. So the 3 multiples of 4 whose sum is 60 is 16, 20 and 24. Okay. So we move to our last question. The last question is, divide 96 into 2 parts such that half of one part is equal to the other part. We have to divide 96 in this way that half of the one part is equal to the other part. Here we have the number 96. We have to divide this into 2 parts. So if we take the first part as x, then the second part becomes 96 minus x. We divide here 96 into 2 parts, that is x and 96 minus x. So what we have to do, we have to suppose that let the 2 parts are x and 96 minus x. Now according to question, what is given here? Half of the one part. One part is x. So half of the one part is equal to the other part, that is 96 minus x. Now what we do here? We cross multiply here. Now x into 1, it becomes x. is equal to 2 into 96 minus x. So, x is equal to 2 into 96. What we get here? 192 minus 2 into x, 2x. Now, we arrange the variable on the one side. X plus 2x is equal to 192. It becomes 3x is equal to 192. X is equal to 192 by 3. And we get here 6 3 ja 18 and 6 4 ja 12. So, x is equal to, we get 64, and the other part, that is 96 minus x, we get 96 minus 64. What we get here? 32. Therefore, the two parts of 96 are 64 and 32. Now we see here that half of the first part, 64, half of 64 we get 32, which is equal to the second part. So what we do here, first we suppose that the two parts are x and 96 minus x. Now half of the first part is equal to the second part, that is 96 minus x. Now we apply here cross multiplication method. So x is equal to becomes 2 into 96 minus x. Now we arrange the variable on one side and constant on the other side, and we get the value of x is equal to 64, and the value of other part, that is 96 minus x, is equal to 32. In this way you can solve any of the word problem. Again, in the next video we solve some more word problems based on simple equation. That's all for today. Keep practicing. Good day.